Šlapací kolo na půdě leží, nevím, kdo by ho chtěl. Šlapací kolo je ještě svěží, já když ho zřel. Šlapací kolo přežilo století, šlapací kolo jako blesk poletí. A jedeme dál, sám na kolo, sám na kolo usedám a šlapu, jak šlapat se má, no já se mám. Hej, hej, hej.
Až se všichni přestěhujeme do obrovských měst, až dálnici země kvůli opředem, až budem vyšší na všechno, co dovedem. Pak bude možná pozdě na to chtít se ptát, co děti mají si kde hrát. Až suroviny budem vozit z měsíce, až počasí bude řídit družice, až budem létat na Venuši na výlet, až se nás budou počítače přemýšlet, pak bude možná pozdě na to chtít se ptát, co děti mají si kde hrát. Až budeme mít továrny i na stromy, až umělá tráva bude před domy, až zavládne v celém světě blahobyt, až budeme umět to rozseknout.
Here she comes in a suit and tie, shepherd's bush and a leopard's pie. She's marching to the funky beat of James Brown and his dancing feet. I'm gonna set your fish on fire, a pistol whipping of desire. So please do not resist your fate, I'll pick you up, yes it's a day. How could I forget to mention the bicycle is a good invention? Sitting there in a silent movie beside the only girl who really ever knew me. Happy days but sad of face, and heaven knows I'm on the case. Oh, how could I forget to mention the bicycle? Somebody told the world the beauty of your verse. My girl, I heard it first, the beauty of your verse. A sticky finger and a wicked taste, got a lot of nerve and a lyrical case. Be sure to write it in your book, I promise not to look. I wanna smell your sunny face, a funny place but it's never a waste. I'd hop this fence to make amends, I hope this movie never ends. How could I forget to mention the bicycle is a good invention? Make it up, making you my business. A funny buttercup, gotta live of forgiveness. Happy days but sad of face, and heaven knows I'm on the case. So how could I forget to mention the bicycle? Somebody told the world the beauty of your verse. My girl, I heard it first, the beauty of your verse. Somebody told the world the beauty of your.
Living out in LA, such a beautiful day. The skies are clear, it's a beautiful day in LA. People in motion, our wheels moving all kind of ways.
Indoors, outdoors, in the sun, there are people everywhere having fun, fun, fun. And when the moon and stars come out at night, we'll know what to do when we turn out the light. Turn out the light, out the light.
The freeways there are jammed with all kind of folks on their bikes. With asphalt surfers, they're all doing their lefts and their rights.
Roller skating, jogging, or a fancy bike, you can get around most any way you really like. And when the sun is down and the stars are bright, I can hardly wait to get to hold you tight. Hold you tight, hold you tight. Living out in LA, such a beautiful day.
Riding the fast lane is a ballet in leisurely flight. People in motion make the streets there a beautiful sight.
In good times.